Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video I will show you how to make a mango lassi. For those of you that don't know what mango lassi is, it's basically a yogurt based mango milkshake or considered a smoothie. You can use canned mangoes, pulp or cube, fresh or frozen mangoes. And if you use the fresh mangoes, you want to use a ripe, sweet mango. And if your mango is not really sweet, the best way to sweeten it up is use either honey or you can use some sugar. So today in this video, I am going to show you two ways of doing this lassi. There's different flavors that you can make. The one I'm going to show you today is called a mango lassi. And then I will also make a banana lassi. So for the mango lassi, the ingredients that you will need are as follows. You will need a half a cup of yogurt, a quarter cup of sugar, a quarter cup of mango, and also you will need a blender to mix all your ingredients in there. And for the banana lassi, that's a little bit different as well. You need a half a cup of yogurt, a quarter cup of sugar, one banana sliced, and then you need 3 tablespoons of milk. For the banana lassi, I will be using milk instead of ice cubes. For the mango lassi, if you want, you can add some ice cubes to your drink. If you are going to use the frozen mangoes, technically that's already cold, it's out of the freezer, so you don't need to use some ice cubes. But since I'm using the fresh mangoes today, I will be putting some ice cubes into the blender. So let's get into this video and I will show you 2 ways of doing this lassi. So don't go anywhere because I am going to show you step by step on how to make this. And one more thing, I will leave the description on how to make this recipe down below, so that way you'll be able to make it for yourself and for your family. I am going to start making the mango lassi first, and then I'll do the banana lassi afterwards. So I already have my blender ready to go, and I am going to put a half a cup of yogurt into my blender. So that would be my first ingredient. My next ingredient is going to be a quarter cup of sugar. And then after the sugar, I will be putting a quarter cup of mangoes diced. And then I am going to put the ice cubes into the blender. Once you have all the ingredients into your blender, the next thing is to blend it all up. And you have to blend it up really well. Alright, the mango lassi is ready to be poured into my glasses here. Okay, so now with if you like, you can add a little decoration to your mango lassi. So I am slicing here some pieces of mango, and then I am going to put it on top of the drink. And then you can just put in the refrigerator, let it chill for maybe a couple of hours if you decide not to drink it right away. That will be nice and cold. And this drink is really refreshing, especially during the summertime when it gets really hot. And we will be getting that here very soon, so this would be a very good drink to have at that time, or you can have it at any time you like. Okay, so here is the mango lassi drink. And then now I am going to proceed on how to make the banana lassi. Okay, now we're on to the banana lassi. So this is another recipe that you can also make. Like I said, there's different flavors that you can make, but I'm going to make the banana lassi now. So I already have my half a cup of yogurt. I have a quarter cup of sugar. I have my milk, which you're going to use 3 tablespoons of that. And then you're going to need 1 banana. So the first thing, I'm going to peel my banana. And then I am going to cut it in slices. Okay, and then I'm going to leave a little piece at the end because we're going to decorate our little banana lassi drink after we have all the drink all completely done. So I am going to put half a cup of the yogurt into the blender. The next thing I'm adding to this would be a quarter cup of sugar. Then the next thing I'm going to add is the bananas. So I added the bananas, and now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of milk into the blender. Okay, my 3 tablespoons of milk is in my blender now. So now I am going to blend all the ingredients. And this time I'm not adding ice, so I added milk instead. So now I'm going to blend it all up. Okay, the drink is ready. So I am going to slice my little pieces of bananas here. And now I am ready to pour the drink into my glass. Okay, then I'm going to add some slices of banana on top of the drink. Alright guys, here are the 2 drinks that I made today. This is a mango lassi and this is a banana lassi. There's 2 different flavors and they're really delicious to have during the summertime or at any time that you prefer to have it. I would like to tell everyone thank you so much for joining me today. And if you like this video, let me know in the comments section below. And if you are interested in crocheting and into cooking, make sure you watch my other delicious recipes as well. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. It would really help my channel grow a lot. So I'll see you guys next time, and enjoy your mango lassi and your banana lassi. Take care, you guys. Bye.